Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix hotspot problem in your AI plus smartphone. So let's start friends. If hotspot is not working, sometimes crashing, so how you can fix this problem? First you have to open your settings, click on connection and sharing, tap on this personal hotspot. Sometimes password is automatically changed, so you have to just once again you have to change it, and at least 8 digit password you have to write. Click on this and click on this security. You can set it according to yourself. Then here it is, turn off automatically. You have to disable this. In click you have to click on speed and compatibility. If internet speed is very low, you have to click on 5 hertz fast speed compatible with many devices, so you have to enable it, and hotspot will be faster than before. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.